Today, I want to talk to students who are getting close to graduation. You might be finishing in a few months, and maybe you're excited, and maybe you're nervous, or maybe both. That's completely normal. But there are a few things you can start doing right now while you're still in school that will make your transition into life and your career much smoother. First, start building your network. The people around you today are the people who could open doors for you tomorrow. That's your classmates, your professors, guest speakers, alumni. Say hello. Ask questions. Follow up with them on LinkedIn. You don't need to impress anyone. Just be curious and genuine. Next, take advantage of the resources on campus. There are workshops, seminars, career fairs, mentorship programs, and events happening all the time. Don't just walk past them. Show up, participate. These are opportunities that become harder to access once you graduate and leave campus. Next, make sure you're building your LinkedIn profile. Add a good photo, write a short summary about who you are and what you're learning, and most importantly, list the projects you've worked on. Employers want to see real examples, not just course titles. Next, get some experience now. It does not always have to be paid. Volunteer with a club, help organize an event, assist a small business, or find short internships. Experiences build confidence. It also gives you real stories to talk about in interviews. Next, start practicing how to talk about yourself. This is something many people avoid, but it is important. Know how to introduce yourself in a clear, simple way. And that's who you are, what you're studying, what you can do, and what kind of opportunities you are looking for. Keep it natural and keep it real. Now let's shift to finances for a moment. Begin tracking your money now. After graduation, your expenses will feel very real very quickly. Get used to budgeting while you're still in a low pressure environment. It will save you stress later. And finally, understand this, your degree is valuable, but you are the real value. Your skills, your mindset, your relationships, and your drive will shape your future. So invest in yourself now. Now, if you start even 2 or 3 of these steps today, your future self will thank you. Remember to subscribe to see more videos like this to help you with life after graduation. Thank you for watching.